So today I'm finally getting my silk press. Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, hi, my name is thedemarah and welcome to the channel. So today I'm finally getting my silk press. I've been wanting this for like the longest time, and I just really want to see what my hair is going to look like. I also need a trim, so I am going to the best place that I can think of, the best place that I know, okay, they're going to take care of my hair, and if it gets right, then yeah, I'm going to Tasala. If you haven't watched the first video I did with them, where I went to do like my first visit to the natural hair salon, I'll leave it up in the cards. But yeah, this is what my hair is looking like right now. It needs a lot of detangling because I really haven't had time for it this week. So yeah, I'm about to step out right now just so that we can get this girl up, and you can tell that I'm really excited. But yeah, okay, so once again, clean towels, clean everything. So this is just me really explaining to him what I want. I told him that I wanted it to be bouncy and juicy, you know, I really love juice. So yeah, this is what my hair is looking like right now, and he was just looking at my hair for like a very long time. I feel like he was just like, where do I start from with this detangled hair, because I know my hair was like tangled up. But anyways, he went in with his spray bottle with water, and just like the last time, there is this detangling solution which they have. So and this works really well with, like, I've noticed that it's very good at detangling my hair. Like, it's quick. So yeah, he detangled my hair. This was the first step of the process, and this is like the actual speed. And I'm not going to try and fast forward except where necessary, but this is actual speed which he used to detangle my hair. And yeah, he used the comb as well to detangle. And take note that, you know, that I'm a no comb person, but when you're using a comb, if you should use a comb to, you know, do your hair process, just make sure that your hair is like not dry if you are detangling with a comb. Okay, so yeah, this is just him trying to detangle my hair and put it in sections, and this was basically the first step. So yeah, just enjoy this and we'll go on to the next one. I don't buy the cheap pills, I just get the bun. I go with the one that's been in since day one. I don't need distractions, I don't need the fun, I just want the one that's been in since day one. I don't need to play games, I already won, 'cause I got the one that's been it since day one. Yeah, you always been the only one from day one. Okay, so the next steps are basically steps to prep my hair for the silk press process. Okay, so he first of all had to, you know, rinse out the detangler which was used to detangle my hair initially, and then after doing that, he went in with some shampoo to basically cleanse my scalp, cleanse my hair, make sure it's clean and fresh and, you know, ready for the silk press. Okay, so yeah, he used a shampoo and he shampooed my hair twice as usual. Okay, and he was actually very calm, very gentle. This my hair as well. And yeah, so once he was done with shampooing, all right, he basically just rinsed it out, and then we deep conditioned. So when it came to the deep conditioner, he said something about it being for the silk press process. So I'm just assuming, and actually he even confirmed it, that the deep conditioner which he used was for silk press. So it's not like a regular, you know, deep conditioner that you would use for a regular wash day treatment. Okay, so yeah, so he put on some deep conditioner and also tried to detangle my hair as he was doing that. Okay, so yeah, you know, with your natural hair, you really want to make sure that your hair is detangled for any kind of hairstyle you want to be going for. Okay, so he used a pretty good amount of deep conditioner, and after he was done applying the deep conditioner and detangling my hair, he then went on to, you know, put on a cap, a heat cap, I guess, and then some earmuffs, and then we went into the hooded dryer, and this was on for about 20 to 30 minutes, okay, and it was hot, not so hot, but like it was hot air that was coming out of this. So yeah, after this was done, we had to now take out the deep conditioner by rinsing it out. He also went in with a comb again to just, you know, detangle my hair. This is the actual speed right now of how he was, you know, detangling my hair with, you know, the comb at the wash station. Okay, so yeah, he detangled and then finally went ahead to, you know, rinse out the deep conditioner, and then we went on to the next process.
I don't need distractions, I don't need the fun, I just want the one that's been it since day one. I don't buy the cheap pills, I just get the bun. I go with the one that's been it since day one. I don't need distractions, I don't need the fun, I just want the one that's been it since day one.
So for the next process, what he was doing, he was basically applying leave-in conditioner. I think it wasn't like a branded, you know, bottle. Okay, so it was he poured it into like a cup, like a plastic bowl, and that was the leave-in conditioner. I had to ask him if he was using a leave-in conditioner, so he said yes. And then he also used a heat protectant, which I'm going to show you guys. Just be patient, but this is like the actual speed at which he is detangling and, you know, sectioning my hair, and then we're going to speed it up a little bit, okay? But yeah, so what he did was to basically section my hair and prep my hair for the heat that was coming, okay? And the heat that came, it was a lot. So the brand of, you know, heat protectant which he used, I think it was like a serum. So whenever you're using heat on your natural hair, you want to make sure that you are actually using heat protectant. If not, you could get heat damage, and I'm sure if you're a natural, you should know this already. So yeah, heat protectant is something that you should never ever omit when you are doing anything that has to do with heat on your natural hair, because if you get heat damage, you might have to do a big chop. You might in fact you should do a big chop, because you're going to disrupt your curl pattern, and it's just as good as having texturized hair or relaxed hair. So yeah, this is just shrinkage showing herself as usual. This is what my hair is looking like after it is washed. So yeah, there's a lot of shrinkage, and as you know, shrinkage means healthy hair. Okay, so yeah, this is still him trying to section my hair and prep it for the blow drying process as well as the flat ironing process. So yeah, there are different ways that people do silk presses, okay? And let me just show you. Yeah, this is the brand of, you know, heat protectant which he used. I think it's called Mizani, right? And it's a heat thermal, you know, thermal sheen, thermal protectant, and all of that. So yeah, like I was saying, there are different ways people do silk presses. I've seen silk presses where they basically wrap your hair around in like a nylon or like a cling film, and then when they take out the nylon, your hair is already like silk press. I'm not sure how they do that, but for this particular silk press which I got, it was flat ironing all the way, and then using like a straightener to just thong my hair because I wanted to go in for curls. I don't think I have showed you guys, but basically this is like the video of what I showed him that I wanted to get. So yeah, it required him to really, you know, flat tongue my hair and like use a curling iron to like curl my hair to get the curls bouncy and juicy and all of that. So he then went in with his blow dryer. This is the heat, guys. Can you guys see the heat? When he started blow drying my hair, the whole salon was filled with smoke. Like, I was just feeling very bad for every other person because it was just a lot of smoke, to be very honest. Thankfully, I have heat protectants. Do not skip heat protectants.
Wait, taught me patience. Love me at my worst, now he gets my best. I don't need distractions, I don't need the fun, I just want the one that's been it since the day one. I don't need to play games, I already won, cause I got the one that's been it since the day one. Day one, day one, yeah, you always been the only one. From day one, just want the one that's been.
Okay, so now we're really in the heat of the moment, and let me tell you, all he needed to do was to just pass this flat iron one time. Like, it just took one slide, like one flat ironing process. Basically, you get what I'm trying to say. Just one time. I don't know the capacity of this particular flat iron, but it is powerful, and you can see the smoke, you can see the sizzling. I just really enjoyed seeing the smoke come out of this. Hopefully I didn't get any heat damage. I'm really hoping, because I still have the silk press on while I'm editing this video and doing this voiceover, but I'm just like really hoping that I did not get a heat damage with all of this heat, because the heat was a lot. Like, there was literally no mercy. So this is what my hair is looking like before flat ironing and after flat ironing. So they're like literally two different textures right now, and my hair is actually very long. I'm sure you guys can see it, but yeah, just take a good look at that one time. It just needs to be like once. Just once is enough for my hair to just be straight. But anyways, this is what he did all the way, and he was going in like very little sections. And from what I'm noticing right now, he basically flat ironed the roots twice, and then just went once all the way to the ends of my hair. So usually the roots would, most times would revert back faster than the rest of the hair. So I think that's why he was going in twice. If you watch, he's going to like touch it a bit and then go in again. Yeah, so yeah, this was all he did. And then after this, we then went on to curl the hair. So yeah, I'm just going to leave you guys to enjoy this, because I actually enjoyed watching like the whole smoking moments. And yeah,
I just get the bun that I got with the one that's been in since day one. I don't need distractions, I don't need the fun. I just want the one that's been in since day one. I don't need to play games, I already won. 'Cause I got the one that's been in since day one. Day one, day one. Yeah, you always been the only one. From day one, no, I'll never want another one. What you know about a man who worked double time, helped a woman chase a dream, made my dream is a rising, buying medicine when I'm sick, brush my hair when I'm stressed, made me snatch my eye, got the mess, yeah, baby been the.
This is what my hair is looking like, and the next thing he went ahead to do was to give me like a trim. And this is like the first time I'm actually getting a trim on my natural hair. I have done it once by myself, but I don't think I got it right. So I would say this is the first time I'm ever getting a trim. So yeah, he basically just trimmed off split ends and gave me like I think that's a blunt cut. Yeah, so yeah, trimming, I've heard a lot of things about trimming. Oh, you need to trim your hair at least maybe 2 or 3 times a year. I really don't know about that, and if I'm to do it again, I need to get it done professionally. But yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. It's pretty long, reminds me of when I used to have my relaxed hair. And yeah, so take note of the fact that no relaxer was used. So if you are not familiar with a silk press is basically just using heat to stretch natural hair to the point that it looks relaxed. Okay, so you would think that it is relaxed hair, but it's not relaxed hair. It's still my natural hair, and it's going to revert back. Okay, so
Yeah, you always been the only one.
the thonging process, it's quite interesting to watch. He just uses the flat iron and just curls and twirls it, and take it up, take it down, twirl it, and then just release it, and there you go, you have the curls. So it was really relaxing to see all of this and watch it. So that's what I'm going to allow you guys to do.
Wait, taught me patience, love me at my worst, now he gets my best. I don't need distractions, I don't need the fun. I just want the one that's been in since the day one. I don't need to play games, I already won. 'Cause I got the one that's been in since the day one. Day one, yeah, you always been the only one. From day one,
Okay guys, so this is the finished look. He's basically just trying to style my hair, and unfortunately I didn't get like the final view like of the whole hair. Don't worry, I got a view of everything, but not from a far angle. So but yeah, these are the curls. This is what my hair is looking like. I'm gonna put some snaps of how everything came out just so that you guys can see the finished look. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please do well to let me know down in the comment section. Like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you are new, and yeah, love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.